everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi and I am Shikha Joshi. Today we'll do something with pencil shading again. Yes. And if you are new to this channel, I want you all to please subscribe the channel. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you so much. And keep showering your love like this. Now let's start with it. What we'll do is we will be creating a lily flower in pencil shading with some different colors and shades. So we will be using the shades of orange, a lot of orange, peach and yellow for the flower. So I'm taking the shades of yellow, orange and peach. I have just made a simple drawing and we'll start coloring with it. So the rule goes the same. You have to make the drawing very soft and you have to start the colors with a very lighter effect. To start with it, I'm starting from the peach color and then I'll go to the orange color to give the depth to my flower. So let's start. It's preferable to rub these lines and make it very light so that when you are using the pencils, it will not become the blackish effect will not come. So the preference is that just erase what you have made. And it should be very light so that only you can see what it is. Now we'll start with the shading part. And in between we will leave a little bit of white shade. So the basic rule is that you have to stick to these colors for every leaf and first always start with the lighter tone, then go to the medium and then the darker tone. Don't just jump on the dark tone first, okay? So that has to be kept in mind every time when you are doing these pencil shades. And I'm just doing one color and then I'm continuing with the first complete that first leaf and then switch to the next one. That will be much better for you all. And of course, don't forget to leave these white spaces in between. That is important. Now we'll show the pollens. So for that we'll use a little bit of green color, shades of green and the red color for the pollens which are there. So we'll start with the green color. And I'll give some shades of green color over here also. Now we'll work on the stem and the leaves. So for the stem, again we'll take the green shades of green first from one side. I'm taking a lighter tone from this side, and then we'll be doing some darker tones on the other side. So just little lighter tone and darker tone. Don't have a light green, you can always use the shades of little bit of yellow color. You can always do that. Now I'm making the leaf here. Little bit shades of yellow, green, and we can even add a pinch of blue color to it. You all know why we add a little pinch of blue color. The only reason being is we have to show the depth. That's why. And why blue color has been used, I have been discussing this for many a times now. The reason is that green color is a secondary color which is made. So the simple flower is complete. We can give a little depth in the background. So I am giving the shades of little red, pinkish, reddish color in the background, or we can also give the shades of blue. So this time I'm just adding a pinch of red color. And just roughly give this effect in the background, which gives a very beautiful impact to our flower. Now we have already done this red color and we have merged it. Now I'm adding a little depth with some purple and a little bit of tones of blue color, just to add the depth. So I'm just doing this part roughly, and then after that I'll merge it with the water, because I'm using the water soluble colors. My pencil colors are water soluble, that's why I'll do that. In case you don't have a water soluble pencil colors, what you can do is you can just use the watercolors, or you can just leave it like that also. Now with the help of water, I'll just merge it, remove the extra water and just merge it. I hope you will enjoy making it. Do share your pictures with us, and of course don't forget to subscribe the channel and like, share and comment the videos. Thank you so much. Bye everyone. Take care, stay happy and stay safe.